Sometimes just staring at the sky gives us a sense of calm, isn't it? Hey, have you ever gazed up at the sky and wondered how its appearance changes right from the time of sunrise to sunset and finally during the dark night? Now, this phenomenon of day and night takes place every single day. Why does it happen? So, today in this video, we will be discussing about what exactly causes day and night on Earth. Hey friends, this is Priyanshu and I'm back with a new video. So, let's get started. Like every other planet, our Earth revolves around the Sun. At the same time, it also spins round and round. This spinning movement is called rotation. As the Earth rotates, only one side of the Earth is towards the Sun. This side gets sunlight and has day, whereas the other side is dark and has night. As the Earth keeps spinning, the side that has night slowly moves into the sunlight. Again, the other side moves towards the dark and has night. Yes, therefore, the rotation of the Earth is the reason that causes day and night. First of all, we need to understand about what is daytime and what is nighttime. Daytime is considered to be the time from sunrise to the time of sunset, whereas nighttime is the time after complete sunset to the time before sunrise. Well, this is a continuous process taking place. It takes 24 hours for Earth to complete one rotation. Do you know countries like Brazil and many more have nights when India has day? Again, when India faces the night, Brazil has day. This is so because these countries are on the opposite sides of the Earth. Now, friends, let us discuss about the celestial events called solstice and equinox. First of all, what are solstices? Solstices are a planet's longest and shortest days of the year. The longest day of the year is called the summer solstice, as this day has the maximum daylight. It occurs annually between the 28th of June and 22nd of June. The shortest day of the year is known as the winter solstice, which occurs between the 28th of December and 23rd of December. This day has the least daylight and the longest night. Equinoxes are the moments when the day and night are of equal duration, that is, we get 12 hours of day and 12 hours of night. Equinoxes occur twice annually. The vernal equinox signals the beginning of the spring. It usually occurs around the 20th of March and hence also called the March equinox, whereas the autumn equinox usually takes place around the 23rd of September. It is also considered to be the first day of fall. Equinoxes are opposite on either sides of the hemispheres. That is, when northern hemisphere of Earth faces the vernal equinox, it will be autumn equinox for the places on the southern hemisphere and vice versa. So, at last, I would like to conclude by saying that day and night is continuous. Always try to end your day with a positive thought. Even the darkest night will end and a bright sun will rise again. So friends, that's all for today. See you soon with a new video. Till then, have a wonderful time.